So how you doing today? Hey?
I'm doing fine today.
Good. Is there anything you'd like to say to your fans?
No,
Everybody's asking about you. I'm going to send this video out today to everybody. Let them see how you're doing. You look nice in the sunshine. Does that sunshine feel good on you? Huh?
yeah,
Good stuff?
yeah.
You've got Michelle to thank for that. She brought this by and left it for you. Isn't Michelle nice?
Isn't she nice?
Yeah. She's a good friend. What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about what a lucky girl I am.
Yeah? You're pretty lucky. You know who's luckier?
Huh?
Me. I'm lucky because I got a mom like you. You know it?
And I didn't know that.
Yep. Can I get you anything?
No,
Is there anything you're craving?
no,
Would you tell me if you were?
yes,
Whose kid are you?
yours,
What's my name?
Robert.
More coffee?
No, 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 no more coffee.
Okay.